Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yeah, fine, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, fine, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. Same like if we want, right? If we want, what is that? If we want, what is that? If we are using, what is that? Exclamatory marks. Here it is. 1 minute. Yeah. Now, then we are writing, what is that? A. After then we are writing D. After we are writing S. After we are writing S, then what is that? What is that? What is the meaning of exclamatory marks now, guys? Now is nothing but what is that? Sorry, this is exponent, right? This is exponent. Now, if we are using what is that? Exponent symbol, then what is that? What is that? It means it excluding specified chars all others allowed. Allowed, right? Only what is that? Only D and S is allowed. This one is not allowed. This one is not allowed, right? Meaning is that one. Now, next, what is that? Let's understand another also. Let's understand what is that? Another also. Now, here, what is that? Let's take A and M. I'm taking. Now, let's take capital A and capital M. Now, let's take 4 and 9. 4 and 9. What is the meaning of this expression now? What is the meaning of this expression now, guys? So, it means only chars in specified range are allowed. Range are allowed now. Okay, so fine. Now if we are taking, what is that? Plus symbol. If we want, what is that? If we want some symbols, then what is that? How we will use it now? This is the forward or backward, guys? Come on.
Backward.
Now we will take plus symbol. Then again, if you want dot also, then you will take, what is that? Backward symbol. Then you will take dot. If you want a special character is nothing but dollar, then you will take dollar symbol. Then you will take dollar symbol. If you want, what is that? If you want, what is that? 2 times dollar symbol, then you need to take, what is that? 2 times dollar. Like that. If you want to use in your expression what? In your expression dollar symbol, then like that we will use, what is that? Backwards slash, then we will use what? Dot or plus symbol. If you want plus, then you will use plus. If you want dot, then you will use dot. If you want dollar, then you will use dollar. Like, then allow, what is that? Allow special or specified special character, right? Character specified, what? Specified character. Now if you want, what is that? If you want, what is that? Allow multiple character, multiple special character, right? Then what is that? Now you means what? All what we can say, all special character. Then what is that? If you want to allow, now if you want at the rate, if you want, what is that? Hash symbol, if you want dollar symbol, or if you want percent symbol, or if you want, what is that? And symbol, ampersand, right? If you want to use this symbol, right, then what is that? Like that we will use it. Like that also we will use it. Meaning is what? Its meaning is meaning to allow all special character, special characters defined right? Defined. Now what is that? At least one uppercase. If you want in your expression, at least one uppercase, right? At least one uppercase letter. Mandatory. If you want to make that, like whatever things, like if we are using the password, guys, so we are giving now in the password at least one character alphanumeric you should use, right? So like that things, if we want to validate, then what is that? We will use question mark. Now question mark dot star, right? Star. Now alphabet, this one will be the this thing. Now at least one character between A to Z, at least one character between A to Z. Question mark means what, guys? What we understood now? Question mark, 0 or 1 occurrences, right? But here what is that? One character should be star we taken. After then what is that? Before that what we are taking now? Star. What is the 0 or more occurrences, right? Now means what is that? Question mark equal to, it will present what is that? A to Z, at least one character, right? At least what is that? One uppercase letter, mandatory. It's presenting what is that? One character, mandatory, right? Mandatory. Now at least what is that? At least one upper case, at least one uppercase letter is what is that? Mandatory. At least one upper case letter is what is that? Mandatory. Now if you want what is that? Number. If you want what is that? One number is mandatory, right? One number is mandatory. Then what is that? We will take again question mark. We will equal to dot star. We will take what is that? Dot star. And what is that? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means what is that? What is the meaning of this one now, guys? What is the meaning of this one? Means at least at least one number, at least one number value, at least what? One number value is mandatory. Mandatory, right? At least one number value is what? Mandatory. Now if you want same, like if you want a small letter also, then what is that? Question mark equal to dot star. Now what is that? A to Z, you need to give what is that? A small letter, you need to give what is that? A small letter. Then what is the meaning of what? Now the meaning of what? It is needed what? It is needed what is that? Lower case, right? Lower case letter is what? Mandatory. Lower case letter is what? Mandatory. Now so if you want in your expression what? At least one special character is mandatory. Like whenever we are designing what, whenever we are validating email, so in that if you want what is that? If you want @ symbol or any what is that? Special character, right? Then what is that? Then we will take question mark. Dot star. Now we will take what is that? At least one special character, right? At least one special character means in between any special character, what is that? This symbol or @ symbol or hash symbol or dollar symbol or percent symbol or ampersand. Any symbol, right? Any symbol between what is that? This symbol. Any symbol if you are taking means what is that? That symbol, right? One special character is mandatory. Between in this special character, you can take any special character. You can take what is that? Any special character now. Any special character now, guys. So at least special special chars is mandatory. At least special character is mandatory now. Mandatory now, guys. So now based on that, what is that? These are the meta character. These are the meta character now, guys. These are the meta character now. Okay, fine now, guys. So now, but the thing is, guys, what we understood now initially, we quantifier character and what is that? Combination. No, here itself only, right? Meta character and a quantifier. Now these are the meta character. These are the meta character to performing what is that? To validating the character. But occurrences, how many times I want a letter, z letter, or any capital letter, or 0 to 9 letter. Those things we are specifying with what? With what now, guys? We are specifying with what is that? Quantifier. Now these are the meta character, and we need to understand what quantifier also, right? Quantifier. Now let's understand those things now. Then we will design one example. And we will see those things now, guys. Okay, now let's understand now. Let's understand what is the quantifier. Quantifier, right? Quantifier, just simple, guys. Okay, I'm taking what is that? A to Z. Now what is the meaning of A to Z? Now it's allow what is that? Only uppercase letter, only uppercase letter, and what is that? Only one time, only one upper case letter, right? Only one uppercase letter. If we are declaring like that, then what is that? We can, between A to Z, we can take any letter, but that letter should be only one time. Multiple time we cannot take. Then what is that? We need what is that? Quantifier, right? Quantifier. Based on that quantifier, what we will do it now? We can increase the occurrences or later in our what? Expression now. So quantifier, let's understand quantifier and its description first, right? Now quantifier and its a description. It's a description now. Now if how we are taking now open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Now if we take n, what is the meaning of this n? What is the meaning of this expression now, guys? So exactly n number. Exactly n number of what? Characters allowed. And numbers of what? Characters allowed. Now open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. N and m. If we are taking n comma m, if we are taking what is that? N comma m, then what is the meaning of this one now? N means what is that? N number, and m means max number, right? Max number, how much you want, means what is that? Minimum n, and what is that? Maximum any. Maximum, what is that? Sorry, m. Maximum m, right? Maximum m. Now if we are taking what is that? Open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. N comma nothing I'm taking. Just I'm giving what is that? N comma in the max place. I'm not giving anything. What is the meaning of this line now, guys? What is the meaning of minimum n? Minimum n and maximum any. Maximum any. If we are not specifying max number, then how much you want, you can. You can, right? Now let's understand these things with the example. Just assume that n place I'm taking what is that 4. N place I'm taking what is that 4. Means what is that? Exactly what is that? Exactly 4 character. Exactly 4 character. If I'm taking what is that? Open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, n is 4 and maximum number is what? 10. Maximum number is 10. Then what is that? What is the meaning of that? This one? Between 4 to 10. We can take the we can specify the quantifier now. Okay. Now if we are taking what is that? Open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Inside that I'm taking 4 comma max number I'm not taking. Then what is the meaning of this one now? Means minimum 4, and what is that? Max is any number. Max is any number. This is the meaning of what? This is the meaning of what is that? These quantifiers now, guys. These quantifiers now. So based on that, let's specify what is that one program. Let's develop one program and we will see those things. We will see those things. Now what I'm doing now, our requirement is what? Mobile number. But whenever we are working in the UI, mobile number also is a string only, guys. A string only with the 10 character. But what is that? We are specifying Indian number. So what is that? Plus 9 is there na? Come on. India code is what? Plus 9, right?
9-1.
Sorry.
Plus
9-1. Sorry, 9-1. Right? Plus 9-1. 9-1 is there, right? 9-1 is there. Then what is that? I want what is that? Exact 10 number as well as what is that? It should be validate what is that? Plus 9-1. Plus 9-1. This is our what? This is our what? Requirement. This is our what is that? Requirement. So based on that regular expression, what we will do it now, guys? We will validate this one, right? In that it should be allow 0 to 9 number, 0 to 9 plus 10 number, 10 digit, as well as what? Plus 9-1 also it should be. Plus 9-1 also it should be, right? It should be. If we are not giving these things, means our mobile number is not valid, right? Now, so I'm taking what is that? Let mobile, that is what? String. I'm taking what is that? String type. I'm taking what is that? String type now. Okay. After taking the string type, now inside that, let's take the mobile number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 digit I taken. 10 digit I taken now. Okay, fine now. So here what I'm going to do now? For that we need what is that? Regular expression. It should, in this input, it should be added what is that? Plus 9 plus 9-1 also. Otherwise what is that? This mobile number is not valid. This mobile number is not valid. How we can let's take now regular expression. Now inside that, what I'm going to do now? Now this is what? Inside that we will validate. But I want what is that? Plus symbol. So if we want plus symbol, right? Plus symbol, then what is that? How we can specify allowed specified special character? Then what is that? I want what is that? Plus symbol. Then how we will use that plus symbol now, guys? Backwards slash plus symbol now. Come on. Now we will take this symbol now plus. Now plus, right? I want what is that? 9-1, right? I want what is that? 9-1. Then what is that? We will take 9-1. We will take here what is that? 9-1, and between what? 0 to 9 correct later. I want what is that? Between 0 to 9 later, as well as occurrences I want, as well as what? Occurrences I want. How many? Sorry, I want digits. How much numbers you want? 10 numbers. 10 numbers I want, right? 10 numbers. So number we will specify with the quantifier, right? Numbers we will specify with the quantifier. 4. See, 4, exactly 4 character are 4 numbers. Means what is that? If you taken here 10, then we need to give what is the 10, otherwise it will not work. Now let's write it. Now we will check if condition. We will check if condition, and we will take mobile dot match. Inside that we will pass what is that? Regular expression. Now regular expression. Now console dot log. Here what is that? Your mobile. Let's take dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now take the mobile. Now verified, right? Verified successfully. Now else condition. Let's take else condition. In the else condition, if it is not matching, if 91 isn't there, isn't there, then what is that? We will give what is that? Invalid mobile number, right? For that also let's check the condition, right? Let's check the condition. Yeah. Now here it's first we will take like that, console.log. Now inside that let's take invalid mobile. Invalid mobile, right? Now you need to take what is that? Plus 91 and 10 digit, 10 digits required, right? 10 digits required now. Okay, so but this expression is not right now. Then what we will do it now, guys? Let's compile it first. We will get invalid mobile number. Now what we are getting now? Invalid mobile number. Plus 91 and a 10 digit is required, right? 10 digit is required. Then what we need to do now? Guys? We need to pass plus 91. Now compile it and run it. Now what is that? What we are getting? Your mobile number is verified. Come on, we are getting right. Come on, because whenever we added plus 91, it's working or not? Come on.
Yes,
It's
Ravi.
working,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So whenever mobile number field we are validating, guys, like that we are using what? Regular expression. Then end user is putting that what? Valid mobile number, right? Valid mobile number. If we cannot store in our what? In our application wrong mobile number without like in code, without what is that? Country code. Without country code. Our India country code is what is that? 91. So like that we are validating, using what? Regular expression. Now let's take one more example. Now let's copy and paste this example here. Example. Now let's take password validation. Based on that password validation, what we will do it now, guys? We will see another meta character also. Our requirement is, guys, let what is that? Password. Let password, that is string type, and our password should be one alphabet. So yeah, one upper letter, one uppercase, and a small letter or capital letter only, right? Let's take what is that? All capital letter or one no, let's take one uppercase, after then anything, what is that? Anything, right? So like that we will design it, right? Now just let's take, I'm taking what is that? Ravi 1 2 3 4 5. This is password, right? But our requirement is what? in the password, one letter should be capital. One letter should be capital. Then how we can take it now? How we can take it now, guys? Then we will take what is that? Let regular expression, regular expression, regular expression, and any type. Regular expression is any type equal to, now this symbol, now inside that we will write the regular expression. Then what is our regular expression now? What is the regular expression now? We wrote already. Now come inside that.
Capital A to Z.
Yeah, capital A to Z. For that, what we decided to write it now, guys, at least one upper letter is mandatory, right? Now how we will write it now, guys? Like that, right? Now copy the same only, or no, let's write it here. Let's write it here. Now what is that? Open bracket and a close bracket. Inside that, what we will do it now? Question mark equal to dot symbol, equal to dot symbol. Then star, we will take what is that? Star. And what is that? In the input, one should be anywhere, but one letter should be what? Capital. One letter should be capital. Then what is that? We will take A to Z, A to Z, A to Z. Now after then what? After then I want, what is that? I want what? I want the allowed, what is that? Small letter or capital letter, right? Now then what is that? We will take what is that? It is an entity to allow uppercase, lowercase alphabet with what is that? Numeric and underscore. Now Shakti, your doubt will clear here. Now I'm explaining that one only. Are you there? Yeah. Now please switch off your camera. Whoever there, that person, if girl is beautiful, if boy is smart, no issue in that, right? But don't show your face in the meeting. Now, okay. Now let's begin our discussion now, guys. Let's begin our discussion. What I said now, W symbol. W symbol is what is that? It is an entity to allow what is that? Uppercase, lowercase, alphabet with what is that? Numeric and underscore also. Not whenever I wrote this one, don't think about that. This number, these things is allowed, as well as what is that? Underscore also will allow now. Underscore also will allow now. Okay, so what I'm taking now, backward slash. Now we will take W symbol, means what is that? Everything it will allow, but these occurrences how many times? Open curly bracket. We will specify the criteria: minimum 4, maximum 10. Minimum 4 and maximum 10. Right now, based on that, we will write the condition. Based on that, what we will do it now, guys? We will write the condition. If what is that? Password. If password match. If password match, then regular expression. Now here what we will do it now? Console.log. Console.log. Inside that, let's take dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, password is what is that? Let's take this password is strong password. Strong password now. Okay, now else condition we will take. In the else condition, what is that? Again we will check the condition. If what is that? Password dot length. Password dot what is that? Length. Now 4, right? Now inside that, what is that? Less than 4, right? Now console dot log. Then what is that? We will take now open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Now password, let's give the password is what is that? Poor password. Right? Now else.
Dollar symbol.
Sorry.
Dollar symbol in the password in the console.log.
Good. Dollar symbol, right? Else what we need to do now, we will take console console.log and we will take dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, password. Now we will take what is that weak password. We will take what is that weak password. We will take this one as a weak password. Now let's compile and run it, because what is that, I'll see, capital letter is in there, number is there. Now letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 means what is that, 10 less than 1. That is also, that condition also satisfied, means what is that, then what we will get it now, guys, we will get what, because sorry, 4, minimum 4, right? But minimum 4 is not there. But what is that, capital letter is not there. That is the reason what we will get it now, weak password. Now compile it. What we are getting now, guys, Ravi 1 2 3 4 is a weak password. If you are specifying any, let's give A, any capital letter. Now compile it. Now run it. What we are getting now, a strong password, means because one capital letter is there. Come on, guys, one capital letter is there now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if you are decreasing the size, let's take 3, even though if you are giving the capital letter. Now 4 letter is there, right? Now A. Now let's compile it. Now what we are getting now, guys, RA is poor password. Come on, we are getting or not? We are getting is a poor password, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So password kind of things like that we are validating in the UI, guys. But don't worry, still TypeScript is going on. Once we will enter these things, we will implement, we will develop one mini project. In the mini project, how these things we are designing, how we are analyzing the things, and how we are implementing in the project, those things we will learn. But here everything is the console based, right? So that is the reason I'm not able to present those things here now. But don't worry, whenever we will enter in the Angular, these programming only will be there, guys, except extra whatever things here I'm explaining. One word also you will not get extra, except Angular related concept, except Angular related architecture only you will guide. You guys will get what is the different programming related things. You will get what is the TypeScript only. We will write the logic based on the TypeScript only. Now till now what we learned now, guys, till now we learned guys, till now we learned what is that, root type as a any, right? Root type is a any. Then we started primitive type. Primitive types. We learned what is that, primitive types. In the primitive types we learned what is that, number, string, boolean, null, and what is that, undefined. Now then what is that, non-primitive type. Non-primitive types. In the non-primitive types we started to learning what is that, object. We learned map. We learned what is that, array. Then we started to understanding regular expression. Regular expression and date also we understood in the last time, right? date. These things we learned, right? These things we already learned, as well as what is that? We learned what is that? Union type also. Union of types. Union of types, right? Like what is that union? Like multiple value we can handle in a single variable, right? Values like what is that? String or pipe symbol, number also. This is the union type. These things we learned now. Come on. These things we learned, guys. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, before entering in the OOP concept, guys, because so many now another enum as well as generic type, these things, this concept is a high level concept. Whenever we will enter in the TypeScript object oriented programming, at the time we will learn those things, but still so many things is there which one we need to learn as a language level. So one more important topic is there, that is what is that? Type assertion. Now let's start that discussion now, guys. Let's start that discussion now. So shall we start? People are getting people are feeling bored. Shall we take the discussion in next day? What you want?
Continue.
We can take discussion.
Continue, right?
Now only. Continue.
So our discussion is, guys, boring? Now fine. Everything is good, interesting.
Interesting.
Everything is interesting, very good.
Yeah. So now let's move on. Okay. So okay, what we will do it now, guys. 3:15 is happening, right? Let's connect 3:30. Let's take 15-minute break. Shall we?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. 3:30 we will connect again, guys, and that one is a very, very important concept. I'm going to explain it again, guys. Don't miss the session. Okay, so now let's take 15-minute break. We will connect again and we will complete that topic also, right? That topic also. Then we will start what is that? Operators and control flow. Once operator and control flow complete, then what we will do it now? We will enter in the object oriented programming in the TypeScript. Once TypeScript is completed, then we will start Angular. This is our agenda. Now. So till now, let's take 14-minute break. Okay, I'm stopping the session. We will meet after 14 minutes. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.